the what?
That's what the tire that jumbo.
No, I think
And not this.
not that one.
I didn't see.
How about this?
So I tried it backwards.
No.
Okay.
How about, huwag mong iba to. How about this one? Wow,
And not,
smooth.
not the school bag.
No, I think the school bus is gonna work.
Strawberry.
No.
Funny guys.
Okay. How about this?
Then wait.
This one, this is working?
Yeah.
Let me see. Whoa, that's fast. Oh no, it's slipped.
And then they want to fire.
Oh yeah.
Ow! That hurt. Try what's this?
Ano ko nga?
Try waiting. Whoa, she
Whoa.
went fast. Here's the highway oil. What's that?
That's the what?
Yeah, those sideways.
Yeah.
And you moving oil.
Ouchie.
Sorry. Nice. Try it off. Nice. Then you can just try it off. So high. Nice. Get some more coins. Nice. Get some more coins.
I'm thinking how we're gonna put it there. We get stuck there.
Let's see. Nice. What kite gave you? Something that goes sideways. Maybe something that kite that goes sideways. This kite that goes sideways. The way goes straight. I take you around. And then make it you around. So the kite didn't go down. I'm not saying anything. Just see the kite. Nice. Let's try that again. That's enough. Nice. I think this way. Nice. This highway. And let's try that again. Yes! We fixed it. Now we fixed it.